Qingdao Roygang Steel Structure Company Limited is a national high-tech enterprise specialized in steel structure buildings. Our vision is keeping pace with the world, creating a century-old enterprise. Our mission is pragmatism, quality assurance, sustainable development. Our values is to serve customers well as the core, take accomplished goals as the engine. We have 10 years experience on exportation, strong production capacity, and applied in more than 70 countries and regions. We have professional design team and experienced sales consultants team to provide 24 hours online service. Welcome to contact us for further negotiation of your projects and achieving mutual success.